The respondent here is the governor of Migori, hence a prominent person, as already stated before. The state is of the opinion that he will be able to interfere with the witnesses and the entire investigations if released on bond. That this matter being a public interest matter, the investigators have to thoroughly investigate whether the weapons found might have been involved in other crimes. The court therefore has to ask whether these are reasonable or compelling reasons to deny, whether these are reasonable or in fact compelling reasons to deny bond. It was stated by the respondent that the said Rapogi home is one of the places he was barred from through bond terms issued by another court, and he has no intention of going there. That he and his bodyguards have already recorded statements, and I also note that the officers who are said to have recovered the weapons are from the EACC. There is a very remote possibility that the respondent will be able to influence these officers. As for the other witnesses who could have been at the Rapogi home during the recovery, the state has, as of today, had at least 3 days from the date of recovery to record their statements, visit the scene, take photos, and continue whichever investigations needed whatever investigations needed at the home. Any further investigations, like confirmation of firearm data, mobile phone data, and others, do not require the respondent's incarceration to be undertaken, as he has no control whatsoever over them. And still on the said witnesses, on the issue of witnesses, so far none has been identified. So in my opinion, it will be hard for the respondent to interfere with these unknown witnesses.